Hey guys, welcome back again. I hope you all are doing good. In this video, we will learn how can we create a new folder on the Clickup app. Let's get started. Once you open the Clickup, you will get this page. Here in the navigation bar, you can see spaces option. Click on this and you just have to click on the team space and just click on the add option. Here you can see folder option. Click on this and you just can create a new folder from here. Enter your folder name. Now just you can enter list name, click on done, and share folder with. If you want to share your folder with, then you can just click on this, and if you want to link it, then you can link it, and you can also copy the link once you click on this, and you can just send this link to the person that you want to share folder with, and also you can invite that person by the email or name. So click on done, and task status, just use space statuses. You can just click on the use space status, and you can also custom this. If you want to custom, click on this. Now you can see you can just add status. You can change the color also. Click on this here. Now click on the create folder. Now you can see your folder has been created here. So that's it for this video guys. I hope it was great help to you. Thanks for watching this, and I will see you in the next video.